everyone and welcome to our channel. My name is Freya.
And my name's Charlie, and we're back with another delicious vegan recipe. This one is super summery, full of lovely fresh flavours. It's a mango and edamame bean salsa.
This dish is so colourful and gorgeous, it'll look beautiful on your table. It's full of fresh, zingy flavours like lime, spring onion and radish. It's pretty much the perfect summer side dish. Take it on to a barbecue, a picnic, or just any alfresco dining situation.
Honestly, this is such a versatile side dish. It goes with so many different things. And we'll share with you some of our favourite vegan pairings later in the video after the recipe.
If you like the sound of this recipe and you're enjoying our videos, we would really appreciate it if you could subscribe to our channel. It would mean so much to us and just really help us to continue creating more delicious vegan content for you guys.
Cool. So I'm going to jump on the camera and Freya's going to do some cooking.
Let's go!
To start this recipe, begin by cutting the mango. This recipe requires 1 mango. Everyone has their preferred methods. We like to cut it into wide strips, take the skin off carefully using a knife, and then cut it into small cubes. This dish is all about the prep. There isn't much cooking involved. It's mostly chopping and mixing together ingredients. It's so easy to make, which is why we love it so much. Whichever method you decide to use to cut your mango, we essentially want small chunks like the ones you can see here. Add the mango to a large bowl along with 200 grams of edamame beans. We always have a bag of frozen edamame beans in the freezer, as they're perfect for throwing into dishes like this. We don't use them every week, so it's ideal for us to use frozen instead of the ones you keep in the fridge. Before adding them to the salsa, we add the edamame beans to a small bowl with some hot water and leave them for a few minutes to defrost. Next up, slice a couple of spring onions. Top and tail the radish, then slice them into rounds. We used 2 medium-sized radishes for our salsa, but you can always add in more or less, dependent on what your preferences are. Grab a few sprigs of mint and remove the leaves. Roughly chop into smallish pieces. Then grate some ginger. Peel half an inch or so and grate, then leave to one side. The last thing you need to do before combining everything is slice a lime in half. Cool, now everything is prepared. Bring back the bowl of mango and edamame and add in the chopped spring onion, radish, mint and grated ginger. Squeeze in the juice of both lime halves. And add half a tablespoon of sesame oil, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of pepper. Toss everything together really well and it's ready to eat. Trying to get a little bit of everything.
That is honestly so good. I could actually just eat the whole bowl.
I was going to say the same thing. I could just have a whole bowl of that. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good.
This doesn't just need to be as a side dish. This recipe is for 4 as a side, but you could just split it and do it for 2 and it would be the perfect portion for a nice light lunch. So obviously mango is a fruit. It is quite sweet, but we love using it as an ingredient in savoury dishes like this, especially when you pair it with something a little bit bitter like radish, add in some fresh greens, and of course these delicious edamame beans which give it a really nice savoury flavour.
And the lime is proper nice with the mango too. The sharpness from the lime juice just cuts straight through the sweetness of the mango.
One of our favourite ways to serve this recipe is with barbecue tofu skewers.
Or barbecue cauliflower steaks.
Basically anything barbecue flavoured just goes so well with this dish. The zingy sweet flavours just really taste amazing with those barbecue flavours.
Also goes so well as part of a larger salad bowl. So you can meet up with your mates for a picnic and ask them to bring along something like quinoa and roasted veg, maybe just some mixed greens, or just chips and dips.
One of our other favourite ways to have this dish is by taking direct inspiration from this recipe, taking out those delicious East Asian inspired ingredients. We like to have it very simply with some rice and then just some sticky hoisin fried oyster mushrooms or crispy vegan duck.
Ooh.
We use the Linda McCartney vegan crispy duck. We just think it's the best one that you can get here in our local supermarket.
Cool, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching all the way through our video. Hit like, leave us a little comment of what you thought, but most importantly, make sure to subscribe to our channel. You don't want to miss anything.
Bye! Leave us a little